Hey guys, welcome to the channel. World War II was among the bloodiest and most horrific wars waged by mankind. But in spite of all this carnage, in the short duration of 6 years, mankind had made more technological advancement than it ever had before. The transition of aircraft industry between the First and Second World Wars was phenomenal. Aircraft started to have more powerful engines and also got more streamlined. Because of these developments, they were able to go much faster, carry more load, and also fly for long distances. Most aircrafts of this era was driven by an internal combustion engine, but they had a very specific limitation. These propeller-driven aircrafts were able to reach a max speed of 650 kilometers per hour. They couldn't go any faster than that, as at such high speeds, the propellers were not able to grab the fast-moving air and generate usable propulsion. Many designs were made to overcome this problem. The most prominent of them was the Dornier 335. This aircraft used a pusher-puller propeller configuration to overcome this problem. It was able to reach a maximum speed of 760 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest propeller-driven aircraft of World War II. However, near the end of World War II, piston engine aircrafts were nearing their peak of development. But the need for aircraft to go faster was still present. This is when a whole new type of engine was introduced, which is called as a jet engine. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.